How to use Samsung Galaxy AI Dictation feature. To use this feature, simply open your voice recorder. Once you open it, you should be able to record your voice over here, go through these options and give the permissions to use your microphone, and then simply tap on this microphone icon on this bottom and start recording your audio. Once you start to record it, all you have to do is, once you're done, simply tap on this pause button on your right hand side, and you can also give your recording a name and then simply tap this save. You should be able to view your recordings from this all recordings option over here. Simply tap on it, and from here you will find another option called Transcribe. Go ahead and simply tap on it, and the AI will automatically start to transcribe your video, your recording, and then you can also choose to summarize this specific audio. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.